In the first video of this series I already talked about taking photos of reflections, and in this video I talk a little bit more about reflections, but not normal reflections but super crazy reflections. So check out this video, hopefully you learned something new, and good luck applying this tip to your own photography. Super crazy reflection photography. Well, what is it? Well, first I want you to take a look at this photo and wonder yourself what you actually see here. Well, maybe you already figure out, but it is a reflection in a car. You can see the wipers of the window right here. And the funny thing is, if you shoot reflections in a car, straight lines are not always straight anymore, so they get a little bit curved depending on the shape of the car, and it can give you really surprising photographs. So if you want to shoot a building, but it can also be a famous sightseeing, for example the Eiffel Tower, for example, try to find a car or something else that gives reflections and shoot the subject as a reflection. And the funny thing about a car is that the same building you can see it back twice, so once in the window and once here in the front. And of course the color you will see in the car itself depends on the color of the car, because colors get mixed. But try to do this and I'm pretty sure you will get some very surprising shots. And one tip I try to apply here all the time with this type of photography, I try to fill the frame, so don't leave any space that you can see the streets with distracting subjects. So fill the frame with the car and try to look how the lines are going through your photo. And the thing I like most about this photo is that here you have very steep diagonal lines, and here it is way less steep, while it is the same building, the same kind of reflection, because the window here is basically this window. So as you can see, there are many windows visible twice, but they look completely different. So hopefully this tip is a new tip for you and you can apply it in a very good way. Did you like this photography video? Please like this video and check out our recommended video for more tips.